Hello, welcome to Tasty African Dishes. Today I'm going to show you how to make croissants at home using a very simple recipe. I hope you will enjoy. Don't forget to give your thoughts down there on the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here are my ingredients. This is 300 grams of flour, 1 egg, 150 ml warm milk, 15 grams melted unsalted butter, 6 grams yeast, 30 grams sugar, 150 grams unsalted butter. I am going to sieve my flour together with salt. Here is my sieve flour. I am going to mix milk, melted butter, sugar, yeast and 1 egg together. I am now going to mix this mixture with the flour. Here is my dough. I am going to add just a little bit of oil and let it set for 1 hour. My dough is here. After 1 hour, I am going to knead it again. This will be my work surface for today. Now I am going to add my unsalted butter inside this dough. Here's the butter. And so now I am going to cover it inside here. And now I am going to knead them together. Here is my dough after mixing it with unsalted butter. we are, as you can see. And now I'm going to adjust it into a croissant, just like that. Completed folding the croissants. I am going to set them aside for about 30 minutes. I will be baking them for 20 minutes. Here we are after 30 minutes. Now I am going to egg wash my croissants and bake them. I am now going to bake them.